Who know something for talk about? Come, give them something to talk about. Come in, I go make them dry me out. 2022 I feel me here, whoa, so me not go make them dry me out. No, hold on. We not have no man. I grow my children them good. Send them go high. Send them go good school. No only per man can pamper me. Me no go out and look for cocky. On a dirty. Una some dirty life, cockroach. Una some dirty life, lizard. You understand? When I call me name, when I just look at bus off from my blood clot. Me stop bus, none gun, done gun hole. Blood clot, girl, yeah. Una they hard about on the internet. Una bed bug. Now move my terror blood clot, can nobody now move. Una naked. Una stay bad. For anybody soon, no? When I look like dirt one scrape off on a blood clot. Me my work. Yeah. When I want one grudge my for, eh? Me don't have a thing for blood clot, you know. You understand? I can't never play with my clit yet. Uno a sodomite. Uno a Batman. Uno all done. Uno breathe out. Uno me not even know what for call, uno. And uno a come for me. Eh? Uno can't come for me. Up in the sky, I'm showing up in the sky. So up in the sky there, I can swear to God, and me grow my children them. Yeah, uno picnic beat, uno picnic class, uno really come for me, uno walk and look man on internet, uno all done. Uno pussy tongue come in like bed where always a ring. Uno cannot be satisfied. How old per man fuck uno? Uno fucking at the park. Uno fuck behind car. Uno just walk and fuck it so why uno must come for me? Why now? Uno thinks that me I go answer uno. Me not gonna bust off of my blood clot name. No. Uno not get a bust off of me. Uno go with uno done gun. Blood clot. It's all lock up at. It's all called policeman people blood clot at. Eh? The word blood clot internet. Uno so lock up at. Uno so called policeman people blood clot at. Uno internet people me eat uno blood clot. Yeah? Let me tell you something. One thing we learn from my mother, you know, when they done gone. Anything your blood clot though, own it. Yeah. Fuck a girl man, own it. You understand? You're not girl a wash a call police, own it. Me no blood clot big. When I move on a done gun, want some clothes, thiefing, fucking a rubbish man, all kind of name blood clot and way. Nothing could can style me. Eh? One thing can't blood clot style me. We don't ready when I talk about dirty married woman. We never dirty yet for a married woman. We can't be a clean married woman. Because guess what happened? We don't come in like guinea chicken. We don't have all 10 pitney. And we don't have not even one baby father. We don't have 5 pitney, not even one baby father. We don't have 1 pitney and no baby father. We don't know no blood clot pitney there. You know, the pitney coming like them bird there. Tell them bird there while look for their mother. See there? Bird in a cabbage I look food. Them bird I look for them mother. When I come in like bird to blood clot. When I think I can't style me. When I think I can't style me. And some dirty stinking girl. So when I saw her pack up. I saw her pack up. Pan blood clot internet. When I garbage. When I dead dog. You understand? When I come for style me. Move on a blood clot. Send back from a blood clot bird paper. Cause I don't have no blood clot bird paper. Send back from my one. I want to look on it. Want a blood clot see. Yeah? Central blood clot Kingston. When I got blood clot see on it. And I did some ban and I did some grow. And I can't blood clot go back there. Me no left no blood clot pit in your yard. Me no left no blood clot boy. Dog they will say, yeah? Me used to fuck down. I'm a dying for Dan come back. When I move on a mortgage old blood clot. When I find the blood clot cemetery. Cause no coming like a blood clot tomb. Yeah. All you dirty diary. Stinking old diary. We don't go keep your blood clot baby shower. All you every minute. You depend. Dawn and Tunnery. And the biggest blood clot man to Tanya one blood clot to him is a married blood clot man. I'm gonna think him can't come to you. I want blood clot to kill him. Don't stinking old diary. Don't gun old blood clot diary. We can't pack up and blood clot come again. Cause you have been I say my black uno. But say any day I'm ready for uno, I just come back for uno and shoot up uno blood clot. Cause no love run got called blood clot police when I hear shooting. Come suck out my old diary. diary, your having a blood clot too. Diary go have a baby. You forgot have a blood clot baby. And we are talking here, so my guess, Dawn, let us talk about Dawn. Go learn for blood clot talk handicap. Yeah. I only things blood clot don't have. Handicap girl blood clot diary. Yeah. Diary not have nothing. Eh? If you never buy blood clot diary a bed, diary wouldn't know where bed blood clot feel like. And diary I call my blood clot. Dawn, Tony Ray, Dawn. You want to see her blood clot? She can't even show her blood clot face when she call my name. Diary see my face, yeah. Diary me not add head and not no blood clot face. Me not have bed and not no blood clot head. Yeah. Dirty all on pack up on a nasty, on a dirty, on a stink, the whole on a pan blood clot internet. What call Tony ring, on a move on a blood clot and go buy clothes. On a move on a blood clot and go have children. On a move on a blood clot and go live somewhere. You understand? And the government have blood clot mine down working out. When you got a different part me there. We live a Brooklyn Avenue right over there. Down pan New York Avenue. Me alone can't full blood clot project. Me alone can't full red blood clot building. So me don't know where Erica she come out. Oh, this is where Dan Erica move your blood clot and go. Erica go. Erica, you're big and stay bad now blood clot in a real life. Erica, you name Emily doll. You understand? Emily. Are you come customer where they come can't, but me not pick for nobody when I know. Anytime I come out and feel like class, we have a class, Anytime I come out. Are you nice boy?
Oh, you got that?
Some dirty old, stinking old, blood clot, yeah, them not have no through. Them walk and fuck like dog, and when them see internet story, them just run up on internet blood clot story and start fire some blood clot shot. And last 2 weeks when me go a blood clot jail, I go, them about the Lord, don't forget, don't for this blood clot person I make for animal, I mean a blood clot, human blood clot being, yeah. Yeah, I'm a good blood clot work, and I eat on our side. But I'm a good blood clot 2020 vehicle I drive, and I eat on our side. Don't move on a blood clot and go. Don't go on big old blood clot, Erica. From the time a blood clot Kingston left you till now, you're still a call 20 name. Erica, you're still a call 20 name. Erica, you want to the fuck like dog and backfire like blood clot duck. Yeah, Erica, I want to pick me a blood clot, but you don't know where blood clot there. Yeah. Erica, you come out with a big stable blood clot cells. You understand you come talk about my father. My father give time. You understand and I live in blood clot like cause guess what happened? I'm a 92-year-old and remember when me name, remember when me born, remember all my mother grew me, remember wish she had him first going on, remember everything about blood clot me. Erica, me now curse your mother because guess what happened? Cancer out the road, me don't know what I got bring me home. Erica, your mother lied down in a blood clot cancer. And Erica, you never pick up 2 look at orange and 2 look at banana yet. And go there, go visit and say, me have visit my mother. Nobody never hear you say you have visit your mother yet. You understand? And from the time you're in a banga until now, 4 times you go to blood clot Jamaica. You understand? Okay, 90th blood clot birthday. But go back again. You understand? I'm going to go back again. I'm going to go back with you. My blood clot, brother. Oh, I'm going to can't show full of blood clot, mother. I'm not always depend people blood clot, mother. I'm not always depend people children. Erica, you come out and depend turn can't come blood clot on internet and call blood clot that name. No time at all, Erica. Man come on internet and disgrace on the pussy bad. And they couldn't know so the pussy coming like zip. You understand? On the zip start from all run on the back hole. Come right, blood clot up past on the breast. Emily, pick up yourself. You understand? You understand? You have some stinking girl, you know. They don't know where the blood clot come from and they don't know where the blood clot going. And as they hear and name a dawn, when you fly out and down, you move on a blood clot and when you suck at like dog, when you put on the face in the not cancer rub out, cut your rub out to the way. And when you suck at like dog, when you come in like yeah, when you not talk, when you mouth the clock, full of a blood clot. So you don't study like blood clot, so you don't do not more than fuck yeah, no blood clot friend them. I want to come chat tonight, Stan. Huh? Well, come talk to clean big woman Dan. Don't is thinking woman the fucking at the park for behind blood clot car or with blood clot. But let me tell you something, when me a class, yo. You understand me not class with nobody. Cause me no blood clot know you. And you no blood clot know me. You understand? Ugly blood clot diary, we can't show your blood clot face. Your big pussy candy. Big pussy candy, you coming like dog. Your dog shit candy. You understand? You don't come out on blood clot internet. You don't sad no blood clot. You don't sad like when dog catch gonna riot. You don't sad no blood clot. You don't sad like when man kick out big out a dog bumper hole. You say, you come back to me. I was showing a blood clot something. You understand? And when me I deal with you, me I deal with you properly. And when me I deal with you, no, come out and come. When me a blood clot deal with you, stinking old blood clot diary, dirty old diary, 2020 blood clot to come. You there for internet, diary go have a baby, diary go have a blood clot. Diary, your mama living at the blood clot basement and you're not blood clot come on. When people want to see your face, I show your ugly long to them. People want to see your blood clot face, I show your knee cup. Your knee cup look better than your blood clot face, diary. Eh? Say, me a blood clot that area. I'm sorry, I'm saying I don't know spot on blood clot. I know spot on the show no blood clot something. Me alone show no something. Yeah. Kind of things say people joke with you know the head forget how to slide off so now so with my blood clot knife and walk off with my blood clot is kind of can't do nothing. But I said, Lord, I will out lock her. Post the one Erica. Suck with Erica, me boss you know. Take a put right and put back in your blood clot and you stand up a real day and I jump up like say you're somebody. I'm just stinking Erica. Dirty old Erica with Kingston class up and put you behind him and put a big black for your blood clot. Like Vanderveer blood clot, big blood clot for them. Where you talk about stinking old blood clot Erica. Dirty old Erica. When it kills so they kicking on your blood clot die. The taxi this come on back to me. Yes. Once I can't come dig out the blood clot so I wipe off the car. So I use me that blood clot use half a foot blood clot Erica. When Kingston they kicking on your blood clot, yeah, and you run by the blood clot priest, well, lock him up and him lock up back your blood clot. You didn't see anybody there panic and they Ray, Kingston to go to prison, Ray. You want me to left blood clot Brooklyn and come all the rest part to your blood clot. Come follow you, come and put to go take blood clot life and Kingston and you gonna come stinking old girl. You have me up all this blood clot and come out and into, hey Erica, let me tell you this. The video this blood clot, Erica, and put it in our clip. They say, when me hold you, Erica, me not care about blood clot person. When me hold you, Erica, I hear this, Erica, you. I can't talk about people that look somebody for blame and I blame you. When they did start with blood clot, Puss and Tanya, but tell us, Erica, I like it, you know. Let the blood clot go. They never stop and stop till the tree to that tree here. But a bag of blood clot story. Then you come talk about people that look somebody for blood clot blame. I want blood clot blame. Your hey, shit house, man. I tell you something. Tie those blood clot, tie the blood clot, Erica. You send me all there. You send me all the blood clot, Erica. Me I tell you, say, Erica, me I plan my blood clot get away out. And me I plan me get away out. I say me get away out and me I plan for your blood clot, Erica. It's going to go at 12 o'clock for your blood clot come back, Erica. Me I go show you in Erica. Me don't want to go to prison for no pussy in Erica. Me don't want to go to prison for idiots in Erica. Me want blood clot hold you in Erica. And make blood clot sense out of your pussy clot in Erica. I listen to war go on and tag on war go on. Erica, me say me want hold you. What everybody on blood clot internet in Erica, I say Erica, more holy and make sense out of your blood clot. I make the whole blood clot internet take long in Erica. Yeah? Yeah? Erica, I say, more holy you. Cause you put me in the internet back you know. You put me in a blood clot internet back you know, and I be a blood clot scene. I have some girl call up my blood clot name, like some bomber clot. No, I'm tell her, say, you, Erica, I'm gonna tell you something, Erica. More you for put this up in a safe keeping. Erica, I sent time, me and you see one another like blood clot this, Erica. No matter what you said, but you call blood clot police coming up here. When we holy Erica, you understand? All right. Emily, may I talk to you? Erica, I like call police. I show you something, Erica. Anytime you walk like this. Yeah, you understand? And the nicest thing you want to do for me. I show you something, Erica. Erica, in a DC, I'm going to show you something. Okay, you know something. Never know. Of course, they're trying to scram them for internet, yeah? That is required. Done. Gone. You can't talk no more about it when you have them a problem. So all you people, don't have a stop. You have to pack up things with your camera, pack them up for yourself. Yourself, Erica. You have to make a sense over you. I'm glad all the while when you can't say, I don't show you how to fuck up on the internet. Erica, man, make a sense over you. Yeah? I'm gonna make a sense of you, Erica. Yeah, you come out 2021. We say we're done with it. You come out, done. Erica, I'm gonna show you say. Are you put up on the internet? You buy it off on the internet. There's so much baga you put in there. I'm gonna show you something. You cost me 92-year-old father. You cost me dead mother. You cost me brother. Everything. Don't put a little jacks in my yard. Don't get picked up. Erica, I'm gonna make sense. It's what is internet at one. And it can't stop until somebody died. Until somebody died, Erica, let me tell you this. You understand? You don't want to fight and you get it out. You know, you used to this happen. You understand? When you go for fish, you go for the top fish. But it's the little ticky one there. You see them run up on the top. And go on like say, them know why your line catch a big one. You have to box them with that one. Erica, you have plan for me. Then I have to plan for you, Erica. Now plan for you can feel more when you're in your book of like this. Anybody dance with it now, mash up. Erica, big boss, let me give you to the police. I'm going to attack you. I put in a lot of mix-up, Erica. Lot of mix-up. You understand? Let me give it to the police and the officers. Big boss, I'm going to attack you. You understand? Pack up your white paper then as much as you can. Because guess what happened? At that time, I don't give a fuck. Please exit. Don't talk to the children. When you're going to do Erica. Because you can't get her, you can't get her. Let me tell you something, Erica. Let me tell you something. I'm going to show you who down is. You don't know, you don't know who down is, Erica. You don't see it. Well, I'm going to have to see it now. I want to rock that for you. Make rock it. Tell you. Yeah? You understand? You never do your homework. You understand? You don't know who you never do your homework. You understand? Why do you not have enough children? Why do you not have Erica? So, okay, so. Erica, I'm making it so all of them bang again where you have a call 911 them and slow. You understand how they come from England, them name Steph, and them name Alka, but the rest of them name, not even know them name Erica. No blood clot, you can carry your blood clot. You understand why we pull up and show and shut up them out, but which way they do then I got to come. The situation of the big fish, but I show about me deal with big fish. You understand? You understand? Me, I'm a no nonsense type of woman. We don't give a fuck. You understand? Something fuck with me. Fuck what happened. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna sit up and tell you everything. What they like. You understand? Fix him up for yourself. You're talking. Erica, when you and fuck up, I don't give a fuck. You understand? It's a white paper. Just for the sea. You understand? I'm gonna show you. Me first attack. That's Erica. I'm finished with it now. I'm done. Bitch, if you don't want to come up for me, attack when I start. You understand? 2020. Black. Got you. Different. Different. I'm not going to it's over. Fucking your father. 19-year-old. Your mother and cancer. And nobody to say, yeah, who right man and about your mother again. Our space of orange and take your mother. You understand? You just when this man left you, they come like an internet, like clap at the end of the day. Don't really go for husband. Ain't going nowhere. You understand? You come from the books and the oh, smart darling here, smart darling here. One after the church and break it down. You understand? What? I remember I am Tanya. Satellite is trying my satellite. It's alright. Erica is alright. You can't hold it. Thank you, thank you. You can't come on later on with a the blood clot later on. You can't come on with the Erica eyes when me whole blood clot. You Erica, when hold you, let me tell you something I like sleep and people, you know. You understand? I see anything I say, anytime I see you, you're going to carry it out. You understand? Erica, and you mix with my internet. So anytime I hold you, different thing. You understand? I'm going to that shop. Yep. Yeah.